Okay, good morning, guys. Apologies for the delay in getting up and running with technical issues around. With regards to the maths, we'll get ourselves warmed up nice and quick. I'm not going to take too long with you. We'll get ourselves warmed up, and then I just want to discuss a little bit about plotting bar graphs. A bit similar to Friday's work, except I'm going to just look at a couple instances where you might have to be a little bit smarter. We'll face more trickier sort of. Okay, so if we're ready, let's get ourselves warmed up. 0 top left, and we'll go, how high can you go? Using number 9. So our 9 times table, how high can you go? You ready, set, go. Stop. Okay, numbers should be 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. So really well done if you got all of those. You ready? Let's try it again. So rub out our numbers. Going, how high can you go? Number 9. 10 seconds. See, can you beat your score? You ready? 0, top left of our whiteboards. Ready, set, go. And stop. Okay, let's see what our numbers were. Make sure you got all of them right. Numbers were 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, and 108. So really well done if you managed to beat your score. Absolutely super. I see the scores are flying in on the right, so really well done, guys. Let's turn that around then. So what goes up must come down. So let's put 108 top left. So 108 top left of our whiteboards. You've got 10 seconds to get as low as you possibly can, going in 9s. Are you ready? Set, go. Stop. Let's have a look. See what our numbers were. You should have had 108, 99, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 28, 18, 9, and 0. Ready? 108 top left, 10 seconds back. I want to see, can you beat your score? See, can you manage to get a little lower than you got last time, all right? Aiming for them zeros and negative numbers. You ready? 108, ready, set, go. And stop us there. Let's see how we done. We should have had 108, 99, 90, 81, 72, 63, 54, 45, 36, 28, not 28, 27. 27, 18, 9, and 0. I called out 28 last time. That's what sort of threw me. 27. Apologies. So that's our 9 times tables. You ready? For today, I think we're going to just jump straight on to number lines. I want to do a bit more work on them. So again, you can write the answers on your whiteboard, or if you want, you can throw it straight onto the chat. All right. So let's have a look. This is our number line. So again, you've got where the number line will start, where it ends. You have to work out what distance is, and then work out our integers, what the little levels are, okay? So again, without counting them on the screen, in case the screen's a little bit blurry, there are 10 jumps, okay? So I'll give you 10 intervals, the same as last time. Now, on Friday, we started to try and look at what happens if it's not just as easy as being a range of 10. We said, what happens if we throw that out to like a range of 20? Then what does every jump mean? Or that, okay? So let's have a little look. And again, we're going to try pick up on that sort of level. I'm going to try make it a bit more complicated, okay? It's a key math skills is finding out the difference and finding out what these things actually mean. It's a bit of detective work, all right? So here we go. Let's have a look, see what we got for today. All right, there you go. There's our number line. There's our number line. You've got 20 and 40. There's A and B. So when you're ready, try work out what A and B must be on that number line. Be careful. Okay, another 5 seconds. See, can we fix it? Good. We've spotted our mistakes. Well done. All right, let me talk you through this one. See how we do. Okay. So we've got 20 at the start of the number line with 40 at the end. So that range is the difference, and we've got 10 jumps to get us there. So if we have 10 jumps to make up 20, we take 20, we divide it by 10. Our answer is 2. So each of these jumps are now worth 2. Okay, so A should have been worth 24, and 40, 38, 36. Coming back away. So B was 36 and A was 24. All right, let's have a look. Oh, right, ready. Off you go. See what you can do. So there's our number line. As I said, you're still going to have 10 jumps. So see what every jump must be worth. Oh no, we've got about 5 seconds. Stop us there. So let's explain. We have 60 and we have 80. So this is a jump of 20 and we have 10 jumps. So 20 divided by 10, answer is 2 for every jump. So once we know our jump size, we can start to make 60, 62. A is 62, 62, 64, 66, 68, B 70. So 62 and 70. All right. What I want to do is see if you can actually apply a bit of higher knowledge again to this one. So I'm going to keep the number line the exact same. I'm going to keep A and B in the same place. So you know B is 78. So I'm just going to add an extra layer on. What do you see? You can tell me what C is. Okay, absolutely super, you two. Answer is 71. All right. Again, all we're doing is just playing a bit of 2. Then halfway between must be just 1 because it's half of 2. So if B was 70, the next interval must be 72. The number that lies perfectly in between 70 and 72 is 71. Excellent. Right, time to get a bit more difficult with these. On you go. I've picked this one because I want to show you just how capable you are of working in number lines. Okay, I think you're better at them than you probably give yourself credit for. So just double check. Ready? What is A and what is B? I'll go by 5 seconds. And super. I have some answers in. Good. So have a look. Number line is 0 to 100, and we have 10 jumps. So we have 10 jumps to get us from 0 to 100. Every jump must be 10. So on that principle, A must be 20, B must be 100, 90, B is 90. Okay, so 20 and 90. All right. See, you can do it. Let's have a look. And you go. See how you're doing that one. So there's our number line. Start where it begins. Where does it end? Again, I've kept it 10 jumps. So what must every size be? Take the total, divide it by the number of jumps, and you'll always get your jump size. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, answers on this one. So our range is 0 to 50, which is a gap of 50. So we have 50, we divide it by 10 jumps. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. So we know we have 5. So every jump must be 5. So once we our jump size, we can start to make our jumps. Ready? 5, 10, 15. A equals 15. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. B is 40. All right. We all gotten this happy enough then so far? You've got an A, B, and a C this time. So A, B, and a C. So I made our numbers bigger, but the principle is going to stay the exact same. The method stays the same. Numbers are bigger, method stays the same. So I'll give you about another 10 seconds. See if you can get A, B, and C. And okay, stop us there. Let's have so 0 and 500. So our gap is 500. Okay, so if it's 500 and we have 10 jumps to get us there, we take 500, we divide it by 10, and our answer is 50. So that's telling us that every single jump is 50, right? Don't forget, you find the range, divide it by the jumps, and that gives you your jump size. So our jump size is 50. So based on that, A is 50, 100, 150, 200. So A is 200, 250, 300, 350. B is 350. And then if we take C, C is halfway. So if every jump is 50, then you work out what half of 50 is. Half of 50 is 25. So C is 25 because it's half of it. All right. Try one more then. Actually, I'm going to try just to see what you do on this one. And you go. Have a look. See what you can do. So we've got naught all the way to 1. Now we've got A, B, and C. So I'll give you a clue. This is all about place value. Super, well done, Jay. Okay, 5 seconds, then we'll go through. Right, let's have a look. So we've got 0 and we've got 1. So the number line only goes from 0 to 1. But we still have 10 jumps. Okay, so we still have these 10 jumps to try and get us there. So our place value tells us that if we take that gap of 1, divide it by 10, we'd end up with tenths, okay, or 0.1s. So if you have a look, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. A is 0.3. 0.4, B is 0.4. Then the next interval will be 0.5. This C lands in between 0.4 and 0.5. So what's halfway between 0.4 and 0.5? You now need hundredths brought in. So it's 0.45. Okay, so remember our place value. That's what we're looking at on this type of question. All right. Anyway, really well done. Let's leave that. Let's go to bar charts. So, as always, I'll try and keep you in the show while we're doing it. Ready. So we've got one axis and we've got two axes. The one that runs flat is our x, and the one that runs upwards is our y. And at this, although we're not doing coordinates, just to remind you, our x-axis runs all flat. It could even run all the way past the y. And the y, not only does it run up, but it does actually run down low into minuses as well. You'll need that for 4 quadrants if we're doing coordinates, okay? But anyway, we've got our x, we'll go with y. I'm just looking at how we can be smart about that. I need some data first, so I want to keep this nice and easy. Hi. Here's our data, right? So we've got blue, green, yellow, red. So we've got 200 and maybe 400 there. Okay. Right. So if these are the numbers that we're dealing in, then let's have a look at our y-axis. On our y-axis, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 5 intervals with 5 boxes to play around with. So if we only have 5 boxes to play around with, but we need to show a score that's as high as sort of say 400. If that's the case, okay. If that's the case, then what can we sort of try and do? Okay, so if that's the case, if our number line, we only have 5 boxes, we only have 5 intervals, and we need to get as high as there. All right. What numbers should we be using? So if we try it in ones, it's not going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not even going to get up to the first one, which is 100. Okay. What we got? Is that Kurt? Is it? I'm very sorry to hear that, Kurt, buddy. Very sorry. Hope the family's keeping well. Oh. So, as we are, we'll keep trying on. So you can just try do what you can there, Kurt. All right. We'll have a look anyway at our graph. So here we go. We've got as high as 400. So we'd say every interval, if we make it 100. So every box is 100. So 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500 up top. All right. So you got 500 up top. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if every box is 100, then that covers us. Then if we look along the bottom, do we have enough space to put 4 categories and space them? Yeah, there's plenty of space, so I don't need to worry too much about that. So I've got blue, take a gap, green, take a gap, yellow, and take another space, red. So I have loads of space, so let's have a look. Blue is 100, nice and easy. You go to 100, move across, do your line, bring it straight down. Green 300, you move to 300, you move across to where it lines up with green. And you draw straight down. Remember, you're always using rulers, not draw 300. Yellow 200, so you move to 200, move across, down. And then you've got red is 400, so there's 400, move all the way across. There, all right. Let's go purple. A new color has just been added. It's purple and it's 150. So if you look at my intervals, I've got 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 300. Then half of each gap must be worth half the size of 100. Half of 100 would be 50. And I come down. And there you have our block for purple. All right. So that's pretty much when it comes to bar charts, you have to work out how much space to play with. Using at the beginning, we're going to help with plot and graph. So I know your 3 worksheets are pretty much almost done for you, bar the last one I suggested. Okay, it's more from the beginning. As I do, I would always suggest that today, if you can, try collect some data around the house. Anything you can think of, number of tins, food tins, or colored books, whatever you can try and get some data yourself. We're very sorry to hear that. Know that our prayers. Try and put up a quick video later on grammar, but I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. And on Google Classroom, I will put in notes on the enterprise project. All right. So really well done, guys. Keep up with your work. As I say, we have a full week this one, so let's put in the hard work, and then we know that next week is a bit shorter. Actually enjoy that time off without feeling guilty or falling behind. All right. So have a good day, and hopefully maybe see you later.